Huh? Huh? Huh?
Hello friends, this video will show you how to use the Duolingo apps, which is to help learn a new language. Okay, before you can use these apps for start a lesson, there is 7 quick questions you must answer. Here I choose Chinese as an example. Then just press the continue button for the next other question until done. So before we sign up, on Duolingo app, you can set up your strict goal to earn a gem. This also will make you stay motivated, consistent on your lesson, and to make a habit of practice every day. Okay, next I will show you how we can learn language using this Duolingo app. For example, here you just listen and choose the right answer option provided.
茶茶
茶
水咖啡
To make learning more fun and interesting, you can add friends so that you can learn together and compete with other learners. Also, you can see you and your friends' weekly progress and achievement. This will make us motivated to learn every day. On these apps, you can also earn reward by completing daily quests.